Hey guys, welcome. Technical video here. Today in this video, I'll be talking about 5 must-have application for your iOS devices. These apps are completely free on the App Store, and the link will be description. Okay, please go and check the link for the applications. So now let's start the video. So guys, the first application I will talking about is called File Converter. This app can convert any file on your iPhone, taking from your images, audio, video, documents, anything. It's very simple to convert. Just go and add the file by clicking plus icon, and there are various sources. Okay, choose the file. Okay, gallery, file application, anything. And once file is added to the application, now choose which converter, image converter, document converter, anything. Okay, choose document converter. Now choose the file. So if you see here, image to PDF file, start conversion, and it's done. Right, it's very simple. And guys, now the second one, that is called Aftercut. It is one of the best photo editing application I came across or I used. It is mainly known for background removal. This application might not be available on all the stores or all the countries. Okay, the link will be description. Please go and have a check. As I told you earlier, this app is known for the background removal, right? So you can change the background, you can remove background and add the various filters to the background. Okay, there are many filters, you can try them. But now let me show you how to remove the background. Okay, just go and add the file from gallery. Okay, choose the file or choose the image. Once you choose the image from gallery, if you see here, it is an image, right? And there is a white background. So now how to remove it? Very easy. But for remove the background, there are various tools. If you see it down, you can scribble, you can brush the area out, or you can erase, or you can do a shape cropping. But now let's choose scribble. It's very easy one, it's simpler one, and just scribble the image, the main part. And guys, the app is so clever that while scribbling, okay, the application will try to detect the character or the image from the entire photo, and it will try to crop that part only. If you see here, after 3 line dragging, just by dragging 3 lines on the photo, it is completely removed the background. If you see here, now I have completely new image with a no background, right? It is so simple. Just by scribbling 3 lines, I got a image with a no background. If you see, it is now in the PNG format, right? It is how simple it is. So guys, next one is Wallpaper app. It is one of the best wallpapers app available on the App Store. Why I'm saying best? Because this app provides free wallpapers, okay, based on current Apple events like your Apple One More Thing, M1 chip concept, anything. Okay, any Apple concept, you will get it here, and completely free. Some might be paid, but most of the free. If you see here, this is a One More Thing event, right? Open that, just go and download, and you get a HD image in your wallpaper gallery. And now all the downloaded images will be saved to camera roll. Okay, please go to camera roll, check the images and use them as wallpapers on your device. I personally like this application. I hope you will also. The next type is very interesting, okay, and a very helpful tool for your devices. Here you can do an image search, okay, just like how we type and search on Google, right? For example, if you see here, there are 2 options, like a photos from gallery. You can choose any photo from gallery. Okay, let's choose HomePod Mini, same image. Okay, now you can crop it for your search. Okay, crop accordingly. Okay, once you're done, click on search, and the app will try to search the same image on the internet. As you can see on screen, it is displaying the exact image on the internet with the various websites, right? This is how you can do a search of images which is available on your camera roll. There is another option of searching it, that is a camera, where you can click the photos in real time and do a search. For example, I am clicking a image of iPad and let's search. Okay, now I got my image clicked. Now if you want, you can crop it or use the image for the search. Okay, just go and search, and now app will try to display exact image, okay, color, size. So if you see here, there are some results which are similar to my images clicked, right? So this is how the app works. It will try to display result based on the photo clicked or the photo uploaded. So the size, the color looks exactly the same, right? I use this application for finding the image sources on my device. And friends, now the last one, that is your fake call. This is a fun app as well as a helping application. Okay, why helping? This app will help you to escape from very creepy situation as well as the boring meetings you are stuck in. How? It will give a fake call on device which will look exactly like a normal call. Okay, there are various sources or there are various settings like your time of the call or the caller, wallpapers, or the voice, and that voice you will hear once you receive the call. Okay, now just go and start the call. After settings and choose the format, okay, normal call, and wait for time set like your 3 seconds. Wait for 3 seconds and you'll get a call, and this will look exactly like your normal call on your screen. Now go and answer it. Okay, you will answer it, and here you will see, you will hear the note or the voice note which is set. Also the wallpapers on your display is fake also. So this is how you can set various settings, okay, as per your wish, and you can customize your call as well. You can set any name, any boss, mother, father, anything, or the voice note you can choose, or record a new voice note for your call hearing. I hope this app will help you out in some creepy situations. And guys, lastly, if you are still watching the video, please give it a like. And for more awesome videos on iOS update, okay, iOS solutions, iPhone tips and tricks, okay, many things about iPhone or iOS, for that please subscribe. Thank you very much.